Formula E is actually more than a race. Technology will actually be a key enabler to change the world towards more sustainable future. It's a great platform and learning also companies and ABB to push the technologies to new level. That is actually the key reason. And technologies will be adopting and enabling clean e-mobility. That is actually the second reason. And it's also for our duty also to safeguard the environment sustainability for generations to come. And we believe e-mobility and Formula E actually is a great platform to do this. Why? Sports unites people. It is actually for the great popularity and for the people, and that actually encourages everyone to change. So therefore we believe Formula E actually is encouraging everyone also to change and adopt to e-mobility. And there also, as mentioned, any sport is pushing the boundaries, and when ABB works with the Formula E, it helps us to push the boundaries on our own technologies towards more energy efficient, improving our customer performances towards sustainable future. That is actually the reasons why we want to be part of ABB Formula E. The global market trends actually will support carbon-free society. And we are very happy about that one. Actually, the best impact on reducing CO2 emissions actually is to increase energy efficiency. And as stated earlier, the best energy is the energy which is not used. Many countries are actually setting up legislations like in Korea. They are changing legislations for low voltage motors moving from IE3 efficiencies to IE4 efficiencies by 2024, so only 2 years ahead. And then you cannot use any more these low efficiency motors. So therefore we see great impact on reduced CO2 emissions. But also it's very much driven by converted frequency converter, connected motors, integrated motor drives will be the driving factor to increase the energy efficiency because less energy will be consumed. So it's a better impact for our society, but also helping our customers to reduce their energy bills. And also the Korea is one of the countries on the front runner as reducing the intensity of the electricity consumed on industries 20% by 2040. And so that basically means that industries will be requested to reduce less energy, which is related once again to energy efficiency and also the energy efficiency of the motors which is running the industrial plants. So I think it's a great achievement and direction what the Korea is having reducing the CO2 emissions. And for wider publicity, why CO2 emissions reducing of those is actually extremely important. 1 degree on world climate temperature increase will increase humidity by 7%. And when we have a higher humidity, we have more hurricanes, heavy winds, we have more rains. So we will face these more severe weather conditions. And one way to mitigate the climate changes is actually to reduce the amount of the energy we do consume. And the energy efficiency, like high efficient motors, is the perfect way actually to do this. We at ABB, we focus the areas where we are able to create the maximum customer value and areas we see a great growth in the Korean market. There are areas like green deals, opportunities in Korea, where Korea has committed to increase the share of renewable energy by 2030 to 20% and by 2040 to 30%. And that is clearly an opportunity for ABB. And also Korea wants to be the front runner of an autonomous vessels, but also the eco-friendly vessels. So this means more electrified vessels and also with high efficient electrical propulsion systems on marine industry. And that's also clearly a focus area for ABB. And also, as mentioned earlier, is this more renewable will come into the grid. Grid needs to be stabilized, so we are part of the grid companies to stabilize the grid with the synchronous condensers.